And Stephen, when you started your company, I think you didn't have a like outbound marketing team, right? It's all the leads are coming from your YouTube and from LinkedIn. And so now we have switched mainly to the outbound, or how does the ratio look like at the moment?
Yeah, so it was 100% inbound the first 3.5 or so, 4 years. And then it flipped to 50-50 almost immediately when I started doing outbound. I would say that it went 60% outbound, 40% inbound for 2 or 3 years. Now we're back to 60% inbound, 40% outbound. It's really hard to find new Amazon sellers right now. I own the largest Amazon seller database. The problem is that so many of them are getting knocked out. There's way less of them starting today than say 3 or 4 years ago. So just market conditions are just rapidly changing and it's more difficult. And I think a lot of my competitors are getting squeezed, and that's going to be, a challenge. Like I'll give you one example. Seller Interactive, which was the greatest lookalike agency to Mag, was doing like 400K a month. And now they do 120K a month. They just fell off a cliff. And so I think that there's a lot of challenging things in the ecosystem. But having said that, we have a 30-person sales team. I'm the largest sales force in the world for Amazon sellers, trying to for Amazon agencies to target Amazon sellers, and a lot of them are using education to attract the clientele.
And I assume you have that system as an SOP, or the full workflow. You can get it right from, I think, from a Mac school, I assume, right?
So we actually shut down selling the My Agency Guy model. And part of the reason was because of AI. So my theory is this: the people that are going to win in AI are not the programmers. It's going to be the people that have written down SOPs like we have. And the true value of procedure is what enables the agentic to come online. And so we're pulling back on sharing agency procedures. We still share a lot of the, Amazon selling SOPs, though we are questioning whether to shift on that as well, just because the last thing we want is everybody else to create AI agents to replace Mag. And that's coming. Hopefully no time soon. Hopefully we'll be the ones selling those agents and that'll replace our model. But I gotta outlive that revolution some way,